Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time tuning in. My name is Bonifa and welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be revamping my hairstyle, taking it from this hairstyle here, which is basically, let me pull this out, some rubber bands in the front and braids in the back, which is really cute. It's a cute little hairstyle, but if you want to go for a different look, I'm gonna show you how simple and easy it could be. So if you have a half wig, lace front wig, headband wig, whatever you have. Right now I have a half wig, a synthetic half wig. I'm trying to go for a different style, you know, switch up the hairstyle. So this is the half wig that I have. It's a curly half wig. I'm gonna put the link down below where I got it. I got it from Amazon, and I'm gonna put an eye of the video when I reviewed the hair when I got it. Before I get into this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I post another video. And let's just get into this simple, quick, easy tutorial. So it'll be easier if you didn't have, you know, braids in your hair, but since I have braids, I'm gonna show you how simple it could be. So what I'm gonna do is literally twist up this side like this. This can be a style in itself, but we're gonna twist it up like this. There we go. Basically fold it and tuck it. Basically you want to fold it like 3 times, like tuck it underneath like so. Keep tucking it underneath, keep tucking it like this. Even this right here, so it's a local style. For extra security, you want to go ahead and put a wig cap, but right now I'm not gonna do that because this is just for tutorial purposes only. Right now the wig have a comb, a big long comb on the top, and I think it has, yeah, one right here at the bottom, and strings. So I'm gonna take the comb and literally stick it in, like, on the beginning of the hair, my hair, like so. Just stick it on like that, like that. That already looked nice. For extra security, I'm gonna bobby pin this on because the part is so, like, the braid is so thick in the back. You don't want it to shift and slide, so you're gonna make sure you know, bobby pin it on. If you don't have much hair, or you just have your natural hair, it probably will be easier, but you know, I have braids underneath this. Don't worry about this part. If you really bothered about the fact that people might see the difference, like the track, just take the hair and tuck it underneath here so it can be hide. Tuck it underneath here so it can camouflage and it won't be that noticeable. But I'm 5'10". Who will look up in my head top? Nobody's looking up in my head top. So I'm just gonna, you know, fluff out the hair, get rid of the tangles, because this is a synthetic. Yeah, it's a synthetic. You can look as natural as possible. If you gotta cut some hair off, do that. Jeez, the hair tough. It don't look as tough as it is on camera. I mean, it's a nice little wig to throw on. This side look a lot better than this side. This side is a lot fluffier. I don't know why. I truly don't know why. And you can do this with any hair, human hair, half wigs. This would be perfect for a half wig if you want to switch up the hairstyle instead of having the headband on it, like the headband wig, I mean. Boom. All right, that's it. You see how simple that is? Okay, that's it. That's the end of the video. I know it was a simple, quick, easy video. If you guys like content like this, let me know down below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I post another video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.